Hello friends, I've got some free tutorials for you. We are going to be doing a vanilla extract on July the 9th. This is a great Christmas idea, but it does take a while for it to process, at a minimum 6 months. Research vanilla extract and see what they put in there. It might kind of creep you out to the point, wow, I'm going to make my own. And I'm going to make some for family and friends because I don't need to be using that crazy stuff. The next tutorial that I have planned is July the 16th, and we're going to make our own shampoo. And you can tailor it to your needs on what you need for beautiful, it's kind of messy hair right now, but hair. Do you know that everything that we put on top of our skin and our scalp only takes 6 seconds to penetrate your blood system? Your blood, friends, carcinogens, chemicals, we're putting that into our blood. Isn't that crazy? And you know, the FDA's guidelines are somewhat lax into what manufacturers have to disclose, the wording that they need to use on labels, etc. So let's start with natural organic, and it's the best route, including, friends, hair dyes. You're putting that dye in all those, you know how strong that scent is when you're dyeing your hair? Imagine those chemicals going into your bloodstream. It's also really harsh on the hair, the dead portion of the hair. You might see breakage. Remove the heat. Anyways, those are discussions that we're going to have during the free tutorials. You can find out the password and the meeting number on timetoheal.net. No charge, friends. They're 40-minute tutorials. They're going to be interactive because we are on Zoom. You do not have to be on video if you don't want to. You could just be on voice like you're talking on the phone. Or if you don't want us to hear you, you can still do the chat. It's fine. Whatever is good for you. But I want to bring some goodness to you so you can learn how for your children, your family, your friends, to get them few things into their life that are organic, natural, clean. Again, timetoheal.net. If you subscribe, you not only get updates on new events, but you also get cost savings codes, heads up on sales, new products, release dates. I only bring the best to you, the best that I can make. If you have any questions, friends, please reach out. It's timetoheal.net. Stay healthy, friends.